Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look on euro currency once again. So yesterday actually we have missed one minor detail, which is actually not quite minor. So I'm speaking about the overbought condition on the daily chart. So somehow we just haven't checked it, and you could see that in fact after the rally that has happened recently, right at the beginning of the week, market stands near a daily overbought. It means that despite how great background you have, the chances and actually potential of the immediate upward direction currently seems quite limited. So market could try to just creeping with the overbought area higher, but it's difficult to expect something of this kind to be formed right here with the direct upward direction back to the 106 area. And that also was actually great background for a possible pullback. So although we have perfectly suggested this pullback that actually has happened, now the question stands on what currently actually potential stands on the market for our prediction. So in the current circumstances, actually we're in a very comfortable position because on the intraday charts, the retracement that we've got here has worked perfect. So you could see on hourly chart it has reached precisely the two levels that we have discussed. So we've got entry to the upside, and now we actually risk nothing. So just move stops to the break even and see what will happen. If euro currency will be able to just keep going higher, that's great. We have the position. It's moving with the overbought or trying to just break it. It doesn't matter. So it just will keep going higher. If somehow, because of the overbought and other reasons, we will have deeper retracement. Recall what we talked about, this big hand shortest pattern here, right? So we suggest that it might be even deeper retracement here based on the shape of this pattern. And if we still will get it, that's great. We just will get another chance for position taking. So currently it's actually nothing to worry about. Just move to break even and see what will happen. The one thing that we could consider as well is that, for instance, if you have missed the opportunity to take the position yesterday, but you still would like to take it, you could focus just on this performance. It is not quite visible on the hourly chart, but if you have the chance to take a look, for example, on the 8 hours chart, something of this kind, here you will see some kind of the bullish engulfing pattern. And we could suggest kind of the reverse hand and shoulders or something of this kind. It's not really very important. The more important that is potentially bullish performance, and you could try to use this minor retracement back in the body of this pattern to take the position. Stops might be placed either below the lows or even below the countdowns. That probably should be enough for stop placement. The reason is actually, if you take a look at the dollar index, you do not see it in euro currency, but on the dollar index it is interesting that on the same 4-hour time frame chart we have bearish grabbers here, and actually here might be formed another one. So and this pattern suggests the challenging of these lows. Doesn't mean that it will be some straight downside breakout or something, but market will try to just flirt down these levels, trying to test it or grabbing the stops around. So that's particularly the performance that grabber is pointing on. And if we consider it on the euro currency, it means that this pattern in general has not bad chances to at least turn to the break even or even get some more or less positive result if market will move slightly above this area. It can't go too far just because we are at the overbought, right? So overbought for today stands approximately around 104.50. But still market could move slightly above this area and turn this position into a positive zone. So that's actually all that we could say currently. On euro currency, we consider no shorts by far. Those who have taken position around the predefined level that we discussed yesterday, that's great. So you could keep positions with the break-even stops. Just keep fingers crossed that market will keep going higher here. Those who missed this opportunity but still consider taking the long position, you could focus on the pattern that we just have discussed. So that in two words what we have.